Hi there, welcome back. Today we'll talk about one of the many things Xmind can do as a mind mapping software, becoming a family organizer that is easy to access and edit. Make use of different structures and features in Xmind to build your one-of-a-kind weekly family planner, emergency contact form, and timeline to record the family's important events. We'll start with the weekly family planner. Here is a mind map made to fit the need of big families. With the versatile functionalities and the flexibility to choose the structure and style of your mind map, personalizing mind maps to fit your needs becomes easy as ever. Use the Insert Topic feature in Xmind to build a two-way portal to quickly access different parts of the map without scrolling back and forth. For example, we see a grocery run planned on Monday. Create a two-way portal by inserting lists of grocery topic to this subtopic and checking off the box that says Add links to both topics. Simply click this icon to jump to the grocery list, cross out any already bought item, and jump back to the to-dos by clicking the icon again. Life with kids means a hectic schedule and a lot of wholesome moments. With the built-in markers and stickers, you can mark tasks on the to-do list done, or use it to express your own emotions and feelings toward the task. Audio notes can also be inserted as a way of adding to-dos when you're busy handling other business. On the iOS version of Xmind, simply add and record. Record ideas that the kids came up with during a family outing, or ideas that sparkled during a morning jog. Record and store safely with Xmind for later review and edit. Seamless management is achievable with Xmind simply by connecting your Xmind account to a third-party cloud service, such as iCloud, OneDrive, or Google Drive. Save your file in the cloud, then whenever you make a change on your mind map, no matter the device, the information is always up to date. Convenient for both editing and viewing files. Now we'll talk about how to build an emergency contact form. Build an emergency contact form with the tree table in Xmind to save yourself and the children's caretaker some time. No more trying to decode handwriting or misspelled words, and less the call to remind the caretaker about the kids' allergies. You can print the timeline out for a physical copy, or simply use Xmind Share to send as a link. You can also export your mind map to various file formats to suit your needs. Moving on to important dates for the family. Having special events to clash on the same date is something we all like to avoid. Build the family's important dates of the year timeline with the tree chart or the timeline structure in Xmind to help the entire family to organize their schedule and plan events with the breeze. Mark the dates and decorate, then print them out to put on the wall, or simply share it in the family group chat. We hope this video can inspire you to use Xmind outside the realm of workplace and academics. Alrighty, until next time, happy mind mapping!